India is a country built by hardworking individuals. Since ancient times, India has been predominantly an agricultural country. But with the passage of time, we also became equally capable in adopting the modern world and creating modern world-class technology. Today, our lifestyle have changed and so is our approach. We no longer have that active lifestyle. Rather, we have a very sedentary lifestyle. The lack of physical activity and enormous amount of stress in our daily life leads to a lot of hormonal changes in our body, which in turn affects our immune system. In this fast-moving world where only the fittest is allowed to survive, we cannot do much about our lifestyle, but there is one thing we can definitely change. That is the way we treat our body. Human body is created not for quick fixes that modern medicine is offering. It is meant for healing. Modern medicine can definitely add years to your life, but it's Ayurveda which helps you add life to those remaining years. The word Ayurveda simply means life knowledge. And Dr. Ela's Ayurveda is working with a mission to spread this life knowledge since 1976. At Dr. Ela's, we work with a holistic system of healing wherein we not only work on the symptoms of a disease but also on the root cause and understanding why an individual has lost his physical, mental or emotional balance. Up till now, we have been able to change more than 11,000 lives and heal them with our Panchkarma treatments. With the impact of modern day stress, the body is bound to undergo certain hormonal changes and lose the immunity, which causes dreadful diseases like obesity, infertility, diabetes, and migraine. We feel proud to say that till date, we have been able to reduce a total weight of more than 70,000 kgs through our treatments, and this has helped our patients to live their lives with mental as well as physical stability. Today, Dr. Ela's have their 3 own clinics, 12 support franchisees, 5 dedicated doctors, and 28 therapists. Dr. Urvi and Dr. Chirag lead the entire team of Dr. Ela's Ayurveda with a mission to bring transformation in their patient's life. Dr. Urvi is known for her expertise in treating diseases related to hair and skin, and she has upgraded many pharmaceutical and pharmacological combinations. Dr. Chirag Goradia is an MD in Ayurveda with specialization in hormonal imbalance disorders like obesity, infertility, diabetes, PCOD, etc. Dr. Ela's Ayurveda has a state-of-the-art Panchkarma center. We take utmost care of hygiene level at our center. We use disposable bed sheets, garments, and all our treatment materials. For us, our center is not just a treatment center, rather it is a healing center where people come to correct their imbalances. The cozy and pampering atmosphere at our center makes sure that all our patients leave with a mesmerizing experience of Ayurvedic healing. Panchkarma is a purification therapy used in Ayurvedic medicine, and this includes 5 treatments. Abhyanga is an Ayurvedic massage which helps detoxification of various body parts by application of pressure and herbal oil. We also have treatments like Shirodhara which help you get rid of the stress that is caused due to monotonous life that we all have today. Dr. Ela's Ayurveda is a complete skin and Panchkarma center and is truly an endpoint to eternal health.